Welcome back to another video of Kids Art Now. I'm Marissa and I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cute Thanksgiving turkey. First, we're going to start off with the turkey's hat. We'll draw a curve at the top and then go down. Draw a line also, a little diagonal from this one. And then we're going to draw a curve in. This side will also go in. Then here's where a little buckle goes for the pilgrim hat. So we'll make kind of like a square. And then a smaller square inside of that one. There's going to be lines going out from each side to make like the belt of the hat. The hat's going to come and draw like a round shape for the brim. Round and around. Kind of find where those ends meet. Like this. Next, we're going to draw the turkey. Let's draw the head starting here. It's going to be a big head going around. I'll start on the other side and go same thing around and down. Kind of find where your ends meet. And then we'll close it up. Just like this. Next, we're going to draw the body of the turkey. Let's start off by making a little line here, go around, and up. Perfect. Start in the corner and make a wing, going around, and one more time. Same thing for the other side, you just repeat the pattern. Go out and around, and you'll do it 2 more times, and last time. Looks good. Now let's make some legs. Draw 2 lines going down. And then you're going to draw 3 toes and go in, just like that. Same thing. Draw a line down. This time the toes are going to the right. And one more. And close it off. Cute turkey toes. We have to draw a face. Let's draw big eyes. First, I'm just going to draw 2 big circles. 1. And the same thing on this side. 2. We're going to put a big circle, a smaller circle. Same thing for the other side. A big circle and a smaller circle. And then fill it in. Looks good. You can leave it like this and it will be a boy turkey, or you can make it a girl turkey by making little eyelashes on it. So start off with a bigger one, and then a smaller eyelash. Same thing for the other side. Kind of a big curve and a smaller curve. Cute. We're gonna draw the beak and the gobbler. Let's start by making a triangle. And then rounding the triangle to close it. And then for the gobbler, we're going to go up, around, down, and then a big curve, go up, and end it. It'll look better when it's colored in. That's a gobbler. So now we have to get our wings all around it, or the feathers. So let's put a big circle, like half circle here. We're gonna do another one. See how I'm not closing it? And then I'll close it where the next one meets. So go all the way around your turkey to do this. There. Now let's color it in. There we go. Cute Thanksgiving turkey. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me, and please subscribe to the channel. There are new videos each week. I will see you next time. Bye.